Amid concerns about the spread of Omicron variant of coronavirus, Karnataka Chief Minister Bommai on Tuesday said the government is taking measures to set up more genomic sequencing labs in the state. During the second wave of COVID, the state government had said 6 genomic sequencing labs were being set up at Bengaluru, Mysuru, Shivamogga, Hubli, Mangaluru and Vijaypura. In response to a question on increasing the number of genomic sequencing labs in the state, Bommai said the Health Secretary has been instructed to look into the needs of procuring the necessary equipment and experts for the purpose. Bommai said, "We have taken measures to set up genomic sequencing labs. It requires expert facilities and lab equipments. Instructions have been given to the Health Secretary in this regard." As of now, labs at NCBS and NIMHANS are the only 2 laboratories in Karnataka that have been approved by Indian SARS-CoV-2 Genomics Consortium to conduct genomic sequencing. Meanwhile, the Indian Medical Association has warned of another wave of infections and urged the government to announce additional doses of the jab for healthcare workers, frontline workers and immunocompromised individuals. Warning of third wave, the association said, "At a time when India is limping back to normalcy, this is a great setback. If we do not take adequate measures, we may have a massive third wave."